Good day to all of you. I am Mr. To-hun Kim, the key personnel in charge of the computing subjects. I am using text-to-speech technology for this presentation and will be sharing more about this subject so that you can make an informed choice with regards to your subject combination. Here is some background information about G2 computing. Starting from 2026, this subject will be introduced as a new elective for upper secondary students at the G2 level, positioned between G1 and G3, computing to cater to different learning needs and abilities of students. This expansion is part of MO's initiative to allow more students to further develop their interest and competences in computing education, and to acquire increasingly important digital and computational thinking skills in today's technology-driven world. Beyond technical skills, the subject aims to develop important soft skills such as inventive thinking, perseverance, collaboration, communication, accuracy, and thoroughness, skills that will benefit students for life. G2 computing features a practical curriculum designed for everyday application, focusing on developing computational thinking skills. Students will engage in physical computing using microcontrollers to practice computational problem-solving in authentic real-world contexts. This hands-on approach ensures that learning is both relevant and applicable to students' daily lives. This slide shows the aims of G2 computing. G2 computing provides students with knowledge and understanding of computer systems, networks, application software, and programming concepts. Students develop and apply computational thinking skills such as abstraction and decomposition by creating computational artifacts, while also building practical media software skills through hands-on application use. The course fosters an appreciation for computing as a creative field and develops awareness of cybersecurity, emerging technology, and computing's broader impact on society. Beyond technical competences, students cultivate essential 21st century skills including critical, adaptive, and inventive thinking, collaboration, communication, and perseverance in striving for accuracy and thoroughness. These are the modules covered in G2 computing. Computing fundamentals covers computer components, input and output devices, and data units. The networking module teaches network concepts, home networks, internet connectivity, and cloud computing. Impact of computing explores technology's effects on society, cybersecurity risks, responsible computer use, and emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and Internet of Things. In Spreadsheets, students learn data handling and analysis using Microsoft Excel, creating charts and using various functions. Media software teaches digital content creation including graphics design, presentations, and video production. Through programming, students develop computational thinking using visual programming languages like Scratch, create games and interactive projects, and engage in physical computing with microcontrollers using MakeCode for microbit to build real-world prototypes. This hands-on approach develops both technical skills and creative problem-solving abilities for today's digital world. There are 2 papers for examination. Paper 1 is an e-examination that will assess all 6 modules and has a 50% weighting. Paper 2 is a lab-based paper with a 50% weighting. It is taken using a computer to test students on 3 main areas: media software skills for creating graphics and videos, spreadsheet functions and data analysis, and programming skills using visual programming languages. You can refer to the link shown at the bottom of the slide to access the syllabus document. Next up, we will showcase a learning artifact created using Scratch by one of our students. We strongly believe in getting our students to learn beyond the textbook and classroom. The school collaborated with several partners and leveraged on institutions of higher learning in maximizing learning opportunities for our students. Computing students will get opportunities to participate in Infocom-related competitions and learning journeys. And a number of them have been inspired so much so that they have indicated that they would like to pursue a career in infocom technology. For students who are looking further at a polytechnic education in an infocom-related field, here's a snapshot of selected generic diploma courses offered by the polytechnics. You can refer to the course finder URL for a list of relevant diplomas. You might want to note that courses pertaining to AI, data science, and cybersecurity are very much in demand, and entry requirements to these courses can be competitive for these popular courses. So what do you need to do well in G2 computing? Here are some key traits that will help you succeed in the subject. You should have an interest in computers and technology, and enjoy creating things like graphics, videos, or simple games. Many parents and students mistakenly think that computing is about gaming, or that students who love gaming will naturally do well in this subject. This is not true. Computing focuses on understanding how to create and build with technology, not just consuming or playing with it. Students who lack genuine interest in the creative and technical aspects will find it difficult to stay engaged. There is no need for a programming background. Most students are completely new to computing when they start. All skills will be taught step by step. The requirement to pass G2 mathematics implies that you need a good foundation in mathematics, as computing involves logical thinking and problem solving that builds on mathematical concepts. Most importantly, you need to be willing to learn and explore new digital tools, and be patient and persistent when things don't work the first time. G2 computing is designed to be accessible and engaging, focusing on hands-on creation and real-world applications that make learning enjoyable and meaningful. I hope this presentation had been useful to you. Kindly refer all queries and feedback to the following email address listed on this slide. I thank you for your time in watching this presentation.